Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create text over an image in MailerLite. It's simple to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, you'll find a free trial link in the description below. Use it to sign up for a new account or quickly log in if you already have one. Once you're inside, click on the Sites tab. Here, you can either edit an existing page or create a new one. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and edit an existing page. So click the Edit button in front of your chosen page. You'll now be in the drag and drop editor, where all the visual magic happens. From the left panel, drag and drop a text block right over an image. Then simply type your desired text, adjust its style, size, or alignment to your liking, and that's it. Your text now beautifully overlays the image. Keep in mind it will work on Pro Plan. This quick trick can be a wonderful way to highlight titles, quotes, or call to actions on your MailerLite pages. And with that, you've completed the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more MailerLite tutorials to enhance your email marketing design.